In this video, I'll show you how to create a Wells Fargo checking account online. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. You can set up and open a Wells Fargo account online directly from your phone or computer without visiting a branch. The entire process is completed on the official Wells Fargo website, and as long as you have your details ready, it's simple to follow. To begin, open your browser and go directly to wellsfargo.com. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're on the official site. Select Personal if needed, then navigate to the Checking section to view the available checking account options. Review the different accounts and choose the one that best fits your needs. After selecting the type of checking account, you'll first see a basic overview of the account, including its features and requirements. You'll also be informed that you must be at least 18 years old to apply online. If you are under 18, you'll need to visit a Wells Fargo branch to open the account in person. Click on Open Now to start the online application. Next, choose whether you want to open an individual account or a joint account. Select the appropriate option and continue. You'll then be asked to enter your social security number and your mobile phone number. Make sure this information is accurate, since it will be used for identity verification and security confirmation. After that, you'll move on to entering your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, residential address, and valid government-issued ID information. Carefully fill in all required fields and review them before proceeding. One of the most important steps is funding your new checking account. Wells Fargo requires an opening deposit, and the account cannot be fully opened without adding money. You won't be able to complete the process if you skip this step. Choose your funding method, enter the deposit amount, and confirm the transaction. This initial deposit activates your account and allows it to be officially created. Once you complete the deposit and submit your application, your Wells Fargo checking account will be processed. After approval, you'll be able to access it through online banking and start using your new checking account for everyday transactions. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.